Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset autofill values on your Infinix Note 30 5G. This is a simple process that can help you restore your autofill developer options to their original state. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on System. Now scroll down again and look for Developer Options. If you don't see developer options from the System menu, don't worry, you'll just need to unlock it first. We have a separate video on how to do that, so make sure to check it out. Once you're in the Developer Options menu, scroll down to the Autofill section and look for the option to reset to default values. Once you've found it, simply tap on it. You will see a confirmation message saying that autofill values are reset to default, and there you have it. Resetting autofill values on your Infinix Note 30 5G is as simple as that. Remember, keeping your device settings optimized is crucial for maintaining its performance and usability. So, don't hesitate to reset your autofill values if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.